Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube.
My name is Travis.
My name is Gabby, and this is our first YouTube video. Woo! Yay!
We're gonna be posting twice a week,
Tuesdays and Fridays.
4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
East side, you already know. I don't talk like that. We do live in Toronto.
You already know, fam.
So for today's video, we're gonna be doing the Play-doh challenge. What's it called? Modeling clay.
Modeling clay.
Whatever.
Yeah.
So basically how the game works is we have our Play-doh with different colors. Then we're gonna have to take a name out of this bag. We don't really know what's in here because my mom was the one who wrote it, so that we don't expect anything.
After we pull the name out, we have 2 minutes to make whatever it says, and then whoever does it best gets a point. Whoever has the most points at the end of the challenge wins.
And whoever loses is gonna have to do a dare. So whoever loses is gonna have to get ice down their pants.
That's gonna be cold.
That gonna hurt. I don't want it. I better be good at this challenge. But before we start, we need you guys to comment down below
who you think won each round.
And let's get straight into the video. Okay, can we take these out?
Yeah, we're gonna take the lids off just so that we're not struggling wasting our time.
No, we're gonna take it out of the whole thing so we can break it in half.
Oh yeah.
Ew, it feels weird.
Mine feels like air. Yours is more gooey, mine is like
ew,
airy.
yours is kind of moist.
It feels like the sweat in my knee pits right now. Oh! Oh!
Ew, is that slime?
Yes! It smells like salt and vinegar chips.
Ew, you touched my lip. No, it does smell disgusting. You guys know what's cool about this video? You could actually do it just with your friends, family, whatever. Because it's actually a pretty fun thing to do.
Mm-hmm. We haven't even started, this is already fun.
Yeah.
Mustache.
That was like to me.
Wait.
No. Oh my god, you're disgusting.
What am I doing, fam?
Ew, man, that's disgusting. Stop.
I almost forgot to tell you, guess what?
What?
My poop is coming! This reminds me of my childhood. The feeling of Play-doh.
Oh, that was like last week.
Mine's done.
So? Okay, so we have, or I have Travis's name, my name. We're gonna mark down the points, and I think we're ready to start. And I'm so nervous. Ready?
Yeah.
You take the first one first.
So, drum roll. The first one is grapes.
How the f Grapes. Alright, grapes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Shit, I'm scared. Oh my god, that's almost already a minute.
Oh my god.
This is not working.
Oh my god, 35 seconds.
Oh, it's falling apart.
No.
Are you doing 2 colored grapes? You Stop. Will you leave it working? So, from looking at Travis's, if you guys can't see, Travis has... You explain your thing.
In my opinion, mine is alright. The vine did rot, but the grapes are still good. So I have blue grapes and green grapes, and they are on a, it was gonna be a plate, but now I'm gonna call it a paper towel, because they were just freshly washed.
Mine...
Looks a lot better.
I think it looks better because I didn't try to do a lot.
Mm-hmm. So, I definitely think that Gabby won this round. I lost.
I won! First point for me.
Next.
Oh wait, first point, Gabby.
Remember, comment who you guys think won that.
Second name is... Guitar in 2 minutes?
Yo.
Okay, I need a second.
2, 1, go. You know what? I'm gonna make a pink guitar.
We're pretty quiet.
Yeah.
It's because
This one takes so much focus.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we have 1 minute.
1 minute left.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't do shit yet. Oh no! 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh, I'm definitely losing this round. I'm done.
What?
Yours looks a lot better. Ew, there's a hair of mine. We'll take the picture anyways, but...
I think Gabby tried to make an acoustic guitar. I went more for the hair.
Wow. I think you won this round. I lost. 1 point for Travis.
Next!
Next, please!
Cupcake.
Dog. Ready?
Whoa, no. Yeah.
2, 1, go. Come on, you can do this. Okay, well, I already started wrong. I just wasted a minute on nothing.
Oh my god. I think you're getting ice down your pants.
No!
I'm pretty sure.
No!
I got this in the bag. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Stop, you're scaring me with all
Am
that
I getting
confidence.
cold?
13.
I'm done.
No! Don't look at mine.
Okay.
I'll show you what.
Okay. Let's see it.
Mine
Let's
doesn't have the shape of a cupcake, okay?
Boy!
Babe, I don't remember what the shape of a cupcake looks like, and I didn't have enough white for it.
Okay. Now, for mine.
That looks like a Japanese food.
Here's what it is. So this is the cupcake wrapper. This is a Halloween themed cupcake, okay?
Mine had colorful sprinkles. Okay, babe, you won, okay? At this point of the video, I'm getting stressed out because I don't want to get ice down my pants.
Do you even have ice?
Okay. Clown? That's hard. We have to do a clown. 2, 1, go.
Okay. That just looks like marble print. Oh my god. 14 seconds is that.
Oh no.
Or is left.
10 seconds. Wait. That picture is gonna come up right now.
I think Gabby won that one.
We're tied right now. Next round.
Into the bag. Hamburger.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Where's the brown?
2, 1.
I forgot everything. I don't know how to make a top bun.
Yeah, it's hard because we don't have enough. What is that?
It's the top of my bun. It's a very small top. I mean, mine kind of looks like thick, like you see in the commercial, and then yours kind of looks like what you actually get.
That's this.
I don't like that black looks.
Looks rotten.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Gabby won that.
A bike? That's too hard.
No, let's do it.
2, 1. I don't even remember what bikes look like, to be honest. Oh, anxiety.
Oh my god.
10 seconds.
So to make this seat, I have to make my face.
Your chin. Okay, I don't know. This is hard. We're so at this. It's hard to know who won. What do you think?
Like yours is just straight across on top of the wheels. So it doesn't really look like a bike. Mine has like a bike frame shape and black tires, which are normally
Normal.
what come on bikes, but they do have colored tires. So
I think you won
I
that
think
one.
we won. We won.
We won.
I think I won that one.
Alright, next one.
Let's get it.
I just got it!
A minion. Okay.
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 Okay!
Okay.
Say a word!
Yo. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Your head was like,
How is a minion's head?
I don't know. Oh no, I don't know. I forget what they look like, babe. This is slime.
Did you get a wet part?
Yeah.
2, 1.
No! I messed it up last minute.
Well, they're both pretty bad.
Look at this. I put the white part, but it was too big, so then I took it out, but it wasn't coming off. Do minions have arms?
Yeah.
Are they that long though?
No. Yours doesn't have any arms. Yours is just kind of a.
Oh, my
a blob
minion lost his arms.
In my opinion, I vote for myself.
Travis won. Camera's dying.
Gabby's gonna get ice in her pants.
You know what?
What?
This is my time to shine. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last round right now.
So this is almost the end. I have 4 points, so if I get a point, I win.
I have 3 points. So if I get a point, I get.
You have to
4.
get 2 points.
Yeah, so I need 2 points. That's tight. That's tight. Okay, but before we get into last round, we wanted to ask you guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel.
You can expect the videos on Tuesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Okay, you might be getting cold.
Cold? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. It says Travis. Oh no, I don't want to lose to this one. How am I gonna make your skin color, first of all? White?
How am I gonna make my skin color?
Gray. Marble. 3, 2, 1. It didn't look like it went.
What? Oh no. I don't know what's going on.
15 seconds. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I won. What the f is that? What is this?
That's my sweater.
Your sweater is purple, not blue.
That's purple, that's blue.
This is purple. This guy's colorblind, yo.
Okay, so mine is not the best, to put it that way. Pink lips, I guess.
Boy, you got sausage for lips. Boy, you got blue lungs.
No.
Boy, you got dreadlocks.
No, it's yours. Oh, that's...
You look a little bit like Michael Jackson, you know. But I did a pretty sharp chin, because Travis has a bicycle chin.
She always says I look like a bicycle seat, which is not very nice. But there's this picture of her playing the violin, and her chin is like...
I think I won,
Yeah.
because it looks more like a person. Your thing looks more... You did better right now as the clown than you did before. Well, if I got the point, that means that we're tied. We have to untie it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Please. Something that I
scared.
could do.
I'm scared. Twiddle.
We don't have
We
brown.
can no, we can do a turtle. They have green shells.
Okay. Turtle it
Let's
is.
get this timer going.
Say turtle it is.
Turtle it is.
Turtle it is. Little it is. Lettuce. Little.
2, 1, go.
This is the moment of the truth.
I don't have nails. I'm gonna use paper. You can use paper if you want. Play-doh, no.
What the hell is this? Do turtles have arms?
Yeah.
Yeah. What the hell?
How do you think they get around?
I'm shaking at 10 seconds.
No!
I won! I won! Yes! Yes! What is this? Oh, baby. Don't make that face. You're gonna get something cold down your pants. It's okay.
Your turtle's head looks like a They have a long skinny neck.
Your turtle looks like a
Oh my god.
Travis, we can do things like that
So,
here.
the winner is Gaby!
Alright. So I'm the winner, and you know what that means.
I get something cold down my pants.
See you guys at the dare.
Can you scoop it and not pour it? Because there's water melted.
No. Alright, this is the real deal. Are you ready?
No.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's all down my legs.
Oh, what? The liquid or the ice?
Look, it's dripping out my legs.
My bed! Get out! No! It's on my balls! What the hell, dude?
It's all on the right side.
I feel bad.
Okay, I can't
But no.
film, so I'm done. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hey, I won. So once again, we'll be posting twice a week, Tuesday and Friday. So be ready for that.
4 p.m.
Every Tuesday and Friday.
Alright, if you liked the video, please leave us a nice big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on post notifications, that little
Post
bell.
notifications.
Little bell, make sure you don't miss any of our videos.
So make sure you comment down below who you think won, and all our social medias are going to be in the description down below. It's probably just going to be our Instagram and Snapchat.
Yeah.
Because we don't really use Twitter.
Hope everyone enjoyed this video.
Everyone
We hope everyone enjoyed this video.
And we'll see you next Tuesday!